How much KASPA do you need in order to retire? So guys, in this video, I'm going to be discussing the price targets which I think KASPA can easily get to even in the bearish scenario. So make sure you guys watch this entire video, and anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into it. If you want to make some serious money while trading crypto, make sure you guys sign up for my trade signal group as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. Guys, as you can see, we have recently closed 2 trades and we were profitable on both of them. On one of the trades, we got a profit of about 254%, while on the second one, we got a profit of about 521%. If you guys want to achieve similar profits for yourself, make sure you guys sign up as soon as possible. The link to my group will be down in the description. Now guys, in my last video, I had mentioned to y'all that I believe KASPA is going to be moving towards the upside because it basically, converted out of this downward sloping trend line. Now this is exactly what has happened, and as you can see right now, I believe that KASPA is forming this massive Elliott wave structure which includes 5 waves towards the upside. But that's not what you are here for today. You are here for the coin, how much KASPA you need in order to become a millionaire with it and in order to comfortably retire with your crypto portfolios. Guys, I believe that right now, or say in the current scenario, you guys need approximately $1 million if you guys want to live a comfortable lifestyle. Now with $1 million, you can basically invest half of that money into the stock market, which is going to be making you income for the rest of your life. And with the other half, you can basically, buy up a house, and you can basically buy some cars for yourself, set up your own family, and everything should be set up perfectly exactly like you had envisioned. So I believe $1 million is enough for, the 99% of the population now there to retire. And that is the situation which we are going to be taking in this video as well. So guys, if we check out KASPA today, you can see that the project is up by about 7.5%, which is really good to see. The overall market cap is sitting at about $2.7 billion, while the circulating supply is at about $22.3 billion. So guys, I personally believe that the market cap for KASPA as of right now is very low, even though we have seen some massive pumps. Now, if we calculate, you can see that KASPA has already done a 605x since the starting, but I'm sure that 99% of you all wouldn't have even heard of KASPA when it was just launched, and you have recently heard about it and now you're completely obsessed about it. So guys, I personally believe that KASPA still has long ways to go. It hasn't been listed on the tier 1 exchanges out there such as Binance and Bybit and some of those other exchanges out there as well, which really motivates me to say this, that KASPA has still long ways to go, and right now it has only scratched the surface, because once it gets listed to the tier 1 exchanges out there such as Binance, such as crypto.com, Coinbase, I believe a massive amount of investors who have not really bought KASPA up till now are going to be jumping in on the trend, and they're going to be buying up tons of supply, raising its overall market cap and raising its overall price as well. As of right now, guys, I personally believe that if you guys want to invest into KASPA, you guys should be holding at least 200,000 tokens if you guys haven't already. Now guys, if you have 200,000 tokens stored up for KASPA, which is approximately $24,345 as of right now, or say as of right now's price points, I think that KASPA has a strong potential to go to a market cap of about over 100 billion in the upcoming bull market. So if this happens, your $24,000 investment, or say your 200,000 KASPA token investment, is going to be worth roughly $1 million. Now this scenario is very possible, and something which I personally believe is the bare minimum KASPA is going to be getting to in the next bull market rally. Now keep in mind, guys, either KASPA can go to $5, $10, or even crazy amounts, but there is also a strong possibility that KASPA can go to 0 and basically the product does not move at all. The project is relatively new and something which a lot of investors should be keeping into their minds as well, and that is why you should be looking at every single project while basically checking out all the facts and whether they line up or not. So guys, if KASPA gets to a market cap of roughly about $111 billion, one KASPA would be worth approximately $5, and this will give us an upside of about 40x on our money. Now guys, I personally think that this is a scenario which can truly happen for KASPA, and if this happens, I believe most of you all should be, stacked up, because I remember that I was buying KASPA once the project's price was at about 0.02. So basically, if you had bought in, then you would only need about 4,000 tokens. Now, I'm not gonna be telling you all that the project has already pumped up, and right now those who invest in the project are not gonna be making any sort of money, because that's not just the truth. I personally believe that right now is a pretty good opportunity to get into the crypto markets, whether you might be investing into Bitcoin, whether you might be investing into Ethereum, or into any of the low all cap gems as well. I believe that right now is a perfect opportunity for you to get into the markets, because right now the markets are shifting from a bearish perspective to a bullish perspective, and the Bitcoin halving is also coming nearer and nearer as we speak, which is going to be driving lots of volatility and lots of new investors into the market, like we have seen time and time and again and again. Now, if we check out the charts, as for the short-term targets, which I'm sure you guys should be knowing as well, I personally believe that KASPA is going to be forming this massive Elliott wave structure, which includes 5 waves towards the upside. In the next wave towards the upside, we should be seeing a move towards this important resistance level right over here at a price of about 0.135. And once KASPA breaks above it, I do expect to go close and closer to 0.14, but then drop down back below towards this point, and this is going to be acting as a really strong resistance at first, but then it's going to be turning into a massive support for the project, which is really good and something which everyone really wants as well. After we have traded towards these levels, we should be preparing for a massive liftoff, where KASPA can go as high as up to $0.17, which is really good and amazing to see. Right now, KASPA is trading at, basically the all-time high, you could call it, of the project. And we have seen this, that KASPA gets massive movement towards the upside once it pumps. Like if we just calculate this move from over here, you can see KASPA pumped almost 276% within just a matter of like few days, which is really good. So yeah guys, that's gonna be pretty much it as for my analysis on KASPA for today. I'm sure you got some good insights on how much money you guys should be investing into KASPA, and make sure you guys comment down below how much KASPA you are holding as of this moment. Are you holding $100 worth of KASPA? Are you holding $100,000 worth of KASPA? Or are you holding $10,000 worth of KASPA? Because I believe those who invest early and those who invest right now are gonna be the ones who are gonna be selling when the project gets to $5 and all those retail investors are buying in. And yeah guys, that's gonna be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys got some good insights. If you guys want to make some money by trading cryptocurrencies, make sure you guys sign up for my group as soon as possible. The link to my group will be down in the description. As you can see, we have closed multiple trades, and even if I scroll above, you will be able to see that we have been logging profits left and right. This is something which what we do time and time and again. And if you guys want to achieve similar results by yourself, make sure you guys sign up as soon as possible, because only limited spots are available, and once the spots run out, you guys are not going to be able to enter. So make sure you guys are quick and make sure you guys enter. And yeah guys, that's going to be pretty much it for this video. I'll catch you all tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.